Here I have HTC U11 Life, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So firstly, you should open settings, then you should go to the system section and go to the reset and select the last option, factory data reset, and tap reset phone, and then erase everything. And after in about a minute or something, device will be restarted. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.